yeah, I feel like this is like a really chill and like bummy looking kind of feel and vibe for my monthly favorites. Got my crazy lion hair going on that I couldn't tame, so it was just in a bun and a scrunchie. And basically I'm just in my comfy sweater. So first off, I hope everybody is doing well. California and all these fires going on, I hope everybody is staying safe. Thanks for those first responders and firefighters just fighting those fires in those crazy heat, and it's scary. So thank you to those brave men and women out there. I honestly feel like we can never catch a break. I mean, with the pandemic going on, it's really scary still. There's no vaccine and there's still a bunch of crowds out there. I mean, people, please be safe and just be mindful of others. We've been watching the news hoping that there's gonna be a great outcome, something positive to watch or listen to, and it's like going nowhere. I mean, just the other day, that poor 17-year-old kid, unarmed, shot 7 times in the back. I mean, the news is never happy anymore. Was it ever? I mean, it's very depressing and it's literally breaking my heart. I just really hope we can just work together, help each other as a unity, and seriously be treated as equal. I just cannot stress that enough. It's just jacked up right now. It's crazy. Anyways, I'm not trying to have a sappy intro, but it was just something that's been on my mind and I just wanted to voice it out there. So on a happy note, just the other week, I filmed a makeup challenge where my husband did my makeup. I just thought it would be a perfect time to film this. So if you want to just relax, get your mind off of things for a little bit and just have a good laugh, go ahead and watch that video, guys. So let's just go ahead and jump into my first favorites. So yeah, true story. Went swimming, literally changed the color of my hair. I was so upset because before going there that weekend, I was like, let me tone my hair, make it look cute. Didn't think I was gonna be swimming, but also did not know it was gonna be like 109 degrees. So anyways, went for a dip because it was just so hot. Came out of the pool and I noticed my hair changed colors. It's supposed to be like an icy silver, but you can definitely tell it looks kind of green. Sad story, but it was true. So note to self, don't tone your hair if you're going to swim because it's just gonna cancel it out anyways. I actually remember we went to Cabo and same thing. My hair wasn't silver, it was just like that platinum blonde, but it definitely toned it and it was really nice. So I thought maybe after getting out of the pool from my last weekend, yeah, I was like, ew, my hair is green. Anyways, this month's favorite was just gonna be in a bun, just chill at home, full face of makeup. What is it, 8 p.m.? So have you guys ever heard of the skincare called Curology? I'm actually really thankful and happy that this company reached out to me. They sent me a 30-day trial. It's a custom skincare line catered to each individual. She had me take a survey and ask me my, skin conditions, if I'm allergic, if I like fragrance, all the questions in the world. As you guys know, my complexion, I have a lot of freckles, broken capillaries. I'm thankful that I don't have much acne. I probably get one here or there. Knock on wood. My main concern was actually tightening the skin and the large pores and textured. So she was actually able to cater a certain serum for my skin type. Now I normally don't like to use heavy serums because I feel like my skin is very thin and it can break out easily. My bun is falling. So they were able to customize a serum for me that's super gentle. This kit came with 3 items. The first is a cleanser. When activated with water, it froths up so much, which I love. I love a frothy cleanser. And they say use a pea-size amount, but I think you can go for even half. Second item is the serum. Again, it's gonna be catered to your skin type. This is a very gentle, soft, and very creamy texture and formulation, which I've been only using for like a few days, I'm gonna be honest, but so far my skin is not reacting to it. The last item is gonna be a moisturizer. Now I actually requested a gel-based moisturizer because I like to wear it throughout the day, and since it this summertime, I was just scared for like building oils throughout the day. It actually doesn't give me enough hydration. So I'm gonna reach out to the team to see if they can recommend another type of moisturizer, but not too heavy of a cream where it's super oily. I'm sure they have lots of formulations. They can probably make a hybrid of those two. I actually really like this company because you can really customize the skincare you want. If you're looking for a new skincare regimen or can't find the perfect item, I think you guys should check them out. This video is not sponsored. They just literally reached out to me and sent me a trial. And so far, I really do like them. Again, it's only been like a few days, but I just like the whole structure behind it. They're also a cruelty-free brand. You guys know me in my itty bitty lashes, and I'm always in the market for a new mascara. I tried the new Hourglass Unlocked mascara. Prior to wearing these falsies, I applied them on. They actually lengthen my lashes a lot. It doesn't clump. The formulation is not super wet, but it's kind of like a medium formulation. What I like about this is that it has a taper wand. You can get to the roots to the ends nice and clean. The base of the wand is actually a little bit fuller, so you can actually build volume. I love the pigment. It's super black and it's literally easy on the eyes and stays on all day. Nope, it's not a donut. It's actually a mini ring light that you can clip onto your phone. Now this comes in handy to take selfies and also when I'm working on gigs. Sometimes I may leave my camera behind on accident or my portable ring light. This is easy to travel with. It's small, so in case if you forget like the bigger items, you can actually have this as a backup. This has 3 lighting options. You have a warm light, a bright light, and a combination of both. This is operated with a USB cord, so it's super convenient. Sour Patch Kids and Crush flavor. This is so good. I actually tried the Swedish Fish, also in the Crush flavors. I can't find them no more, but I was able to find this. This is like so sour but sweet. Does anyone else get like nose sweats when they eat sour stuff? I know people say with like spicy, but like for me, when it's like sour, like my pores here, it's like, yeah, it's pretty gross. You guys have to try this. Have you guys heard of Buddy Bandana? Buddy Bandana wanted my Mr. Tofu to be a brand ambassador. Buddy Bandana has these really cute bandanas for your fur babies, as well as hair scrunchies. But I thought this print would be really cute for the summer. It has little bite marks of like watermelon. And the fun part is that it matches my scrunchie. And when he wears this, he looks like a girl. Yep, this is a microphone. So basically I can clip this onto my shirt. I can hold it to speak. This was actually a great investment because a lot of times when I'm filming with the boom mic, you can't hear everything I'm pronouncing. And I promise I am enunciating. It's just sometimes it doesn't capture like the little low sounds of a voice or a sound. So I've actually been using this in the last few videos I've filmed, and this is perfect for filming, vlogging, because when I actually use my vlogging camera with the boom mic, if I'm vlogging myself, I have to make sure to turn it to face me, or if I'm filming someone else, I gotta make sure to turn it the other way. Now with this audio, it actually captures everything and all the enunciation. A lot of times when I get really into something or speaking about something passionate, I get so animated and I talk really fast, and sometimes the boom mic doesn't pick up every single word. But I promise I am enunciating and speaking clearly. It's just, it doesn't capture like the little low or short tones, if you will. But with this, it's gonna be no problem because as you can hear, it's actually capturing a lot. Just gotta be careful in holding it because you don't want that clothing sound noise or extra scratchy noises. That's why it has this little furry thing. It's very cute, but it's a sad name. They named this fuzzy thing a dead cat, which is kind of sad. This will protect any wind noise if you're outdoors. So for example, if I'm trying to say the word like pickle, buffet, apple, it picks it up. So I'm hoping the video quality is going well so far. And that'll be kind of cute just to wear this. So the last favorites I have is this Becca Zero Pigment. And literally, as I said, it's zero pigment. It's just a clear gloss that actually gives you a beautiful glass-like look. Glass-like look, does that make sense? This basically just gives you like a glass look. Like you just jumped out of the ocean during the sunset and you just have that nice wet glowy look. I've actually wanted to try this like glass trend look for some time. I just never had a chance to get my hands on it. I know Glossier makes like a whole bunch of these types of products, but this supposedly is supposed to give you a glass highlight for your lips and face. I've actually tried this and it literally is so soft on the skin. At first it was tacky, but I guess you have to apply a little first. This gives you like a nice smooth skin finish as long as you apply a little bit. It is slightly tacky. I did the hair test where it actually did stick onto my face, but only because I applied on too much the first application, but it really does as it says, glass highlight. And that's pretty much my monthly favorites. So stick around because September is right around the corner. I actually do have a lot filming and a lot going on. I will be posting more like quarantine easy makeup looks, especially if you need to jump on a Zoom call with work and you want a little makeup on, so stay tuned for that. Fall is right around the corner, which means Halloween is in October. I have a lot of video ideas to film some looks. Don't want to give too much away, but it has to do with masks. Anyways, I have more than just a mask makeup look. Per usual, it's going to be like skeleton, but I'm just so happy to get back in that creative side to film some looks. You know, we all been cooped up in our homes for like quite some time. Some people are working, some people aren't. You know, the new normal is just, it's bizarre. I mean, it's how life is going to be. Just hoping for a possible vaccine in the near future. But until then, guys, stay safe. Wash your hands. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.